So what do you think?
Well,
Let's go back and look.
Happy face by the Holyoke.
Okay, let's go back.
It's an evergreen.
And let me capture these on video so I can get your opinion. You can play back. Now, did you like these?
Yeah.
And these drop their leaves. Where would you want to put them?
What about, can one of these go on the side of the house?
By the bedroom window? For shade?
Yeah.
Not close to the house.
No, we'll place it wherever you want it.
Okay.
You do the placing. I'll do the picking.
Okay. We had talked about shade for the window.
Right.
This isn't going to give you shade for the window because, see, the growth is all towards the bottom.
Okay, then we need to look at maybe something like
So we had talked about these lose their leaves. All of these lose their leaves. So during the winter, you're not getting any shade. You want the evergreen, which are over there. This is a holly oak. These are holly oak tree.
Okay, well, it's not sweet.
And this was
that compact Carolina tree.
Yeah. So either one of these two trees, I would suggest putting outside the guest bedroom window.
Okay, this one. This is bedroom.
Either this one or this one. Either the compact Carolina cherry or the holly oak tree. Either one of these two is what you would want to put there. What does she say for size?
It's 15 by 10.
You want 15 by 10.
Okay, so this is the bedroom window. So this is the best choice.
Yes. I don't have a preference on what you put where. I'm just trying to identify to you what it provides or doesn't provide.
These lose their leaves.
Yeah, we haven't even looked at these. These lose their
These
leaves.
are plum trees.
Okay, do you want that? You want a plum tree?
These lose their leaves. Let's look at some more evergreens.
You only want evergreen?
No, I like that one with the heart-shaped leaves.
Where was that?
It's over there.
Remember this one here? Glossy privet? This 20 feet.
Yeah, I have that down, glossy privet. 20 by 20.
It has these little flowering buds, and these
that would be okay.
these have already flowered.
This one would be okay for the back.
Okay, now they drop stuff. So back where?
She said the little stuff that they drop is that little stuff.
Okay, but when you saying back, are you saying towards the street side of the backyard or towards the barn side of the yard?
No, what would you say?
Well, if you're towards the barn side of the yard, you're going to have droppings. So you wouldn't want this for his pool. So you'd put this towards the street side.
Oh, okay.
So I would put this would be nice on the street side. Now, it may blow this mess on your patio, is all I'm saying. So then we got to blow, always blow the backyard.
I'm going to put messy.
Yeah, it could be considered messy.
In the grass it wouldn't be, but the patio it would be.
It'll eventually blow into the patio. She say southern live oak? Now, this is huge. These are 40 by 30.
No.
It's too big. You could put a glossy privet tree for shade next to the bedroom window. Okay? It's 20 feet, makes excellent or accent. Good drainage. Okay. Then what I would say in the backyard, put one of these on either side of the patio.
I like this one. It's got darker leaves. I don't like those lighter leaves. I like the rich green.
Well, then get two of these, one on the street side.
Okay. And that is a compact Carolina. And I've got that here for Happy. So we're saying two of these.
And that's in the backyard on each side of the patio. One on each side of the Aluma wood patio. Then you're putting a glossy privet tree by the bedroom, the guest bedroom window. Planted on the
Glossy
grass.
privet tree bedroom, yes.
On the grass. And then you have one more tree.
Oh, that would be pretty. This is the one. So we have one that loses its leaves.
Yeah. It may be far enough away from getting on the patio that it won't be a problem. Okay, so let's recap what we just said. You want the Oklahoma redbud to go on the side of the house. Okay, very good. This area here. Okay. So now I guess what you want to do is look at 5-gallon plants.